Molina Healthcare announces the return of its mobile health unit, providing health care that residents say is much needed. Molina Healthcare invites Winnebago County residents to take advantage of its mobile unit, which returns to the Forest City for 2 days, specifically focusing on preventative care services. Winnebago County residents have reported poor physical health at a higher rate than the national average, and Molina says this initiative will work to build a stronger community.
The goal of the mobile unit is to offer preventative health care. We see that if we can get members of the community in, receive the health care that they need and deserve, and by supporting our most vulnerable populations,